Hello guys, and welcome back to Sizzle Asuri TV. Today we're going to be cooking a healthy potato veggies dish. These are the ingredients we're going to be using. First of all, you have to slice your onions. Now peel your carrots and cut them into long stripes. Now cut your broccoli into small pieces. Now we're moving on to the chicken. Cut small slices inside the chicken so that later on the spices can get inside really well. Don't forget to take away the fat. Now to the important part, don't forget to wash your chicken, and also don't forget to wash all of your veggies. So this is what we're going to be adding to the chicken. Like always, we're going to be adding onions, pepper, curry, salt, seasoning cubes, thyme. It's important not to add too much because you don't want your chicken to be black, and powdered Maggi. Close it up and let its own juices come out. As you can see, the juice has come out and we're adding a little bit of water and letting that While you let that cook, add water inside a pot and let that heat up. Once it heated up, add your carrots and do the same for your broccoli. Now start adding your chicken that is already cooked on top of foil paper. We are going to be roasting it. Add your oil inside the pan, let it heat up, and add your onions, pepper. Now add the tomatoes. Let that cook and now add your seasoning cube. Salt and curry. Very important, don't throw away your meat stock water. Add a little bit more water to it and then add your potatoes that you have peeled and cut into small pieces. And add salt. And add mango. Let it cook until soft. Once your chicken has finished roasting, flip it so that the other side can also roast as well. Once it's finished, add the sauce you cooked on top so that the flavor can get inside.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to give me to.
Now add your potatoes on top of a foil paper. And add bell pepper powder on top for the flavor. Put it inside an oven to roast. So this is how it looks like. This is the finishing. It's very easy, very simple. We are very sorry for not posting for the following weeks now. We were very busy with our personal lives as well. So it took a little time to create space for making videos and editing them, but we made one and we hope you guys enjoy this video. As I said, this is the finishing. It's just potatoes, chicken and veggies. It's very simple, very yummy, and very healthy as well. If you're on a diet, this is a very perfect dish for you to cook. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to also support us on our Facebook and Instagram pages, and share these videos that you have right now, that you have seen already, to other people. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video, which is also coming very soon. Once again, sorry for the delay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.